Hello guys, my name is Edin and I'm working on my Corvette today. So I'm gonna attempt to heat shield my exhaust manifold. I have pulled the bolts out and now I'm gonna attempt to pull this exhaust manifold out and see if we can wrap this passenger side, since we already have done the driver's side. And as you can see, the heat was doing damage to my plug wires. Here we have the exhaust manifold out, and it's a little scratched up because it was literally really tight to get her out. So we're gonna attempt to go ahead and wrap it. And here is the finished product. It took a little while, but we have it done, and hopefully they're gonna last longer than. Just like that, we have finished the project, and now we're heading home, and safe and sound, and the car works pretty good.